Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be mounting the dry sump tank, running a new line for the feed, and some other lines. Also going to put in an anti-gravity battery and move some wiring around. And then we'll be just about done. You hate us, don't you? What? You hate us, don't you?
Why?
Of all the music you can pick.
This kind of music?
I don't know what they're saying, Berto.
Why don't you guys play your fucking Red Hot Chili Peppers or something?
You gotta be in a mood for that, you know what I mean?
Oh, white people listen nowadays.
You gotta be in that special mood to listen to that Red Hot Chili Pepper madness. Yeah, Max doesn't, he changes his shoes. It's just one of those like funny things to do. Go like all the other ones do. Alright, that's a wrap. Today we got a lot done. The last of the lines are complete. The Visionary Performance strut tower bar is on. Just a few more things to do. We got our anti-gravity battery in, but not installed completely yet. Paul's finishing that up here shortly. And a few more electrical things inside that we changed up a little bit. And we'll be ready for startup. Almost ready!